So today I'm trying the Bao Buns. One of them I've steamed and one of them I've microwaved. Now you can automatically see that the microwave one is a lot flatter than the steamed. That one feels more like a gummy texture. That one's a bit more solid. Now, the microwave one is very rubbery. Let's try the steamed one. The steamed one is soft. Now these are nice. It's 179 calories for the two, but it's got soy sauce in, which I'm not struck on, but nevertheless, it's still nice. I had it with a nice side salad.